Welcome back, survivors. On today's Brothers Preppy, where we talk about the Savage Model 64F 22 long rifle. Welcome back, survivors. On today's Brothers Preppy, I'm going to take the rifles apart and make sure they're clean and lubricated.
The Savage Model 64F is the perfect youth starter rifle. It's lightweight, there's practically no kickback, which makes it easy to stay on target, and it's easy to disassemble.
I'm going to make sure the scopes are zeroed in with bore sights. You can also use a front laser bore sight.